Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. In today's video we were doing some price analysis on XRP. We've not done any for a couple of weeks and I do think that it is time to have a look at some targets to aim for and some potential areas to invest. First up, please make sure you do like this video, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. So let's begin, and we will start off as ever just by running over some of the key statistics of the network, see what's going on with regards to volume and price, and then we'll jump over to the charts and have a look at some areas that we could target going forward. I do think that we have a start, pretty much at the start of a major alt season, in my opinion. December is pretty much well known for altcoin performance, so let's hope we can get some good movement coming forward. So XRP, which is currently ranked third, and it has been there for a long time, is currently 56 cents per coin. We're slightly up on today's trading. We have a total supply of 100 billion, which we know was a maximum supply. It is a deflationary asset, so the total supply is now 99,990,000,000. It's probably a little bit less than that. I don't think coin market cap is completely up to date. I have circulating supply of 45.4 billion tokens. We are getting a 24-hour volume of $17.8 billion and a market cap today, which is the 18th of December 2020, is $25.6 billion. If we just have a look at the market pairs, you would expect it to be absolutely massive, this list. Let's see if there's any exchange getting more volume than others. We are getting 10% on BitTribe, 10% on XFeta Global, which is very strange one to be getting quite a bit of a volume there. Binance is getting around 5% against USD, and I'm not going to run through all these because that is an absolutely massive list, and like I say, if you're looking to get hold of XRP, you can pretty much buy it fucking anyway. You can get it on a carrier pigeon. So that's the exchanges. All-time highs, we do know that's incorrect. It was around $3.30 and then it dumped. I'm not too sure where we're pulling the stats from for $3.84. Might have it on a certain exchange, but I don't think it happened. I think Binance went up to around $3.30, and that's where we're going to do as TA, I believe, and then we'll have a look at some potential price entries. So here we have XRP versus Tether on the daily chart. I lied, I'm using a Bittrex chart. This does have an absolute ton of data. I mean, if you just drop onto a monthly and see how far we go back, zoom right out, because we've been absolutely up there. So we've got data from July 2017, and that's what I'm looking for. More data, the better. Still, cryptocurrency is very young in my opinion, and we've not got much data, even though you think, oh wow, it's been on a trading since 2017. If you look at stocks and Forex, they go back 50, 60 years. So crypto is very young, and we don't have a ton of data. Even though we've got 5-6 years on here, I still think it's not quite enough to do full analysis really. But what I want to do is have a look at the current situation, and we did have a massive rise towards the last couple of weeks of November. I did some analysis around here. I was hoping to target this level, but it just kept going up, and then we pretty much went up to this weekly level at $0.78, which is 78 cents, and we rejected from there. What we did was carried out a retracement. According to Fibonacci, it was around a 61% retracement, and then it bumped up. So if we just take it up from there up to there, let's get that level down here. So as you can see, we went all the way up and we have retraced, and we hit that 61% retracement level to a T. I mean, look at that. We have hit it and bounced back up, and then we pretty much went all the way through, and then we rejected off the 0.26 level. So we are currently hanging around the 38% retracement level, which is still looking good in my opinion. I mean, you could say we had a bit of a downtrend forming, but we broke straight out of that on that daily candle on the 16th of December, a couple of days ago. We use this area of daily support. I mean, we dropped to a 618, and then we use this daily support at 46 cents, and we did bounce up it. Now, if you're looking for an investment, so we'll get rid of that now. I don't think we're going to come back down here. If you're looking for an investment, a potential area to target could be here at 51 cent, the weekly support level at current prices. We have pretty much hit that area a few times. We hit it there, and we've rejected off the area. So it is quite a valid area to potentially put some targets in. So we'll just mark it up there, and that could be a potential buy zone if the market does drop. If you just look onto right here, markets are dropping a little bit. Bitcoin's $22,400, and a few altcoins are following it down. Zilliqa being the exception, it's still 4% up, but some coins are dropping, and this is what happens. I mean, we popped up to 65 cent. We've rejected quite a big candle. That, I mean, what was that in a percentage rise? So from that daily candle there to we dropped 18%, which is quite big for one day. So we just need to be wary of that 18% downward movement could pretty much trickle us down. So this could be a good potential area to buy in. We also, if we just have a bit of a zoom in, and I've not got any daily levels on here, but if you look at this candle here and you follow it all the way through, 1, 2, 3, you could say it started around here. So we bounced off this area as support and here, then we come through and rejected it, and we have actually bounced off this area around here at 55 cent on my nose. So that could be another buy zone as well if we do start coming down. We have wicked it today and we put back up, but it does look like it's coming back down slightly. So if you're looking to invest in the long term, in my opinion, this will be a good level here. If it does come down here, then I don't know, maybe use 25% of your allocated allowance for which you're willing to invest in around these levels, and then have some down here in case it does drop down. So you can dollar cost average down. And again, if we do lose that level, then you've got to look at these support levels at 46 cent and 42 cent. The potential is that it could come down there, but nothing is guaranteed. Like I said at the beginning of the video, December is historically a great month for altcoins, and I'm hoping that we do start to push on soon. It was around this time in 2017 that Bitcoin just started to trickle off and altcoins did start to move up. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for some major altcoin pops now. We've had a few over the last few days. We have a bit of a downward spiral on alts today, but that always happens. So there are some potential areas to buy in. Dollar cost average down if it does keep coming down. If you do get a chance to buy in at 42 cent, then I do think that will be a great investment. So that's a bit of a bearish scenario and investment opportunities. But going forward, let's have a look at some areas to target. So the first thing we need to do is close a daily candle above 62 cent to regain this bullish momentum. Currently, we are starting to pop down, but if we do bounce off this daily support and target 62 cent, then I think we can look at targeting these next levels. If we do break the weekly support at 62 cent, then the next target is 78 cent, and I have got some other levels marked up at 87 cent and 96 cent. What I will do is when we start pushing up and we do pretty much close a daily candle above 86 cent, I will do some further analysis, have a look at the charts and see if I can identify a few more key levels in and around this area, put some Fibonacci's on, have a look at his EMAs and see what's going on. So here we have some potential buy zones, then these are his next two targets going forward. Close a daily candle above 86 and I'll do some more analysis. If we just drop the Hitman on, this works out when there's shifting market momentum. We was bearish for a wee while on the 6th of September. We came down to around here on the 11th of October. Bit of consolidation, then absolute rocket, and it took off from there. We have carried out a 61% retracement. Now I do think it's time to push on. We might get a couple of days of downward selling, but that's to be expected. It is just worth note that in bull runs, you do get major retracements. You can get up to 30-40% drops in a day. So just be careful. If you are investing long term and you see it dumping, be patient. It will bounce back. If I just show you an example here on Zilliqa. So it was trading really well. We shot up to 3.6 cent. And then in one day, it dropped from there down to here. And that was a 38% drop. So just be wary that things, as soon as they go up, can retrace. If we just take a quick look at the BTC pair, I'm taking it that this will be absolutely fucked, I think. Have I got it on here already? Let's have a look. There it is. So it looks quite similar really. If we just we'll go to a monthly time frame and get rid of that Hitman. So as you can see, yep, it has been absolutely hammered against the BTC pair. We are very, very low, and I am expecting a breakout soon. We have popped up a little bit, but I still think there's a long, long way to go to get back up to pretty much we want BTC to bleed a little bit, or profits going to altcoins and start pushing up. So I'm not going to do any analysis on a BTC pair, just we are very, very low. We're going to pop up, but we just need some dominance to switch from Bitcoin into the rest of the alt market. So that's going to do it for today's video. That is just some analysis on XRP, some potential areas to buy in, and the next levels to target once we do start pushing up and continue this bullish momentum. So thank you very much for listening. Please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, make sure that you are in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You will find my link in the pinned comment and the description. So thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you next time.